बच्चों, आज की जो हेडिंग है एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड हेडिंग है बेटा। डिफरेंट हमने आपको बर्नौली थ्योरम बताई, हमने आपको एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ बर्नौली थ्योरम पढ़ाया, और आज हम बताएंगे आपको डिफरेंट वर्जन्स ऑफ फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट जो हमने आपको बर्नौली थ्योरम का बताया, हमने बताया कि व्हेन एनी इनकम्प्रेसिबल नॉन विस्कस लिक्विड flows in a streamlined tube on a streamlined path, then at each and every point of its path, the total energy per unit volume remains constant. P plus half rho V square plus rho GH is equal to constant. P को कहते हैं प्रेशर एनर्जी पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. हाउ इट कम्स? सी, pressure energy is actually work done in entrance. एंट्रेंस ना भी माने तो P is basically pressure energy is actually work done, and it is accounted as PAV. And when it is pressure energy per unit volume, AV is a volume, then it means it will be, when it is pressure energy per unit volume, then it will be PAV upon AV, and it is P. So P stands for pressure energy per unit volume, and it is very important point for competitions बेटा. P को डिफाइन कर दिया, B को डिफाइन, अब हम डिफाइन करते हैं एक और पॉइंट, काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. Kinetic energy is half mv square, and when you are talking about per unit volume, suppose capital V is the volume, mass upon volume is density. So here it comes kinetic energy per unit volume. See, potential energy per unit volume. Potential energy is mgh, and when you divide it by volume, what you will get? Rho gh. So P stands for pressure energy per unit volume, half rho V square stands for kinetic energy per unit volume, and this rho gh stands for potential energy per unit volume. It is very very important point for competitions, medical entrance, IT. Now the next version of Bernoulli's theorem is P upon rho plus V square by 2 plus GH is equal to constant. And this is called as total energy per unit mass always remains constant. P upon rho is pressure energy per unit mass. Let us see how it comes. You know, pressure energy is P, and when you divide it PAV, and when you divide it by mass, mass upon volume, this can be written as P upon M upon AV. Technically, mass upon volume is density, so it is P upon rho. So here it comes pressure energy per unit mass. Always remember it is P upon rho. You have to remember it separately. This V square by 2, it is kinetic energy per unit mass. Let us see how it comes. Half mv square upon m, and here it comes v square by 2. C. Potential energy per unit mass. mgh upon m. So here it comes gh. So the all together is total energy per unit mass always remains constant. And one more thing, P upon rho is called pressure head, V square by 2 is called velocity head, GH is called gravitational head. So always remember, right? So these are different versions of Bernoulli's theorem. At last, let us see limitations. Practically, what we observe, non-viscous liquid is an ideal concept, and as far as incompressible liquid, it is also an ideal concept. So 100% application of Bernoulli's theorem, 100% results, we cannot assure 100% results of Bernoulli's theorem in any problem. So this is one of the greatest limitations of Bernoulli's theorem, right? So I think concept is now clear to you. So limitation is also clear to you. Non-viscous liquid and incompressible liquid. It is an ideal concept. And when it is an ideal concept, then truly speaking, 100% results of Bernoulli's theorem are not possible. Second point is Velocity of each and every particle of the liquid is not same at each and every point. So practically there is always some loss of energy due to viscosity. So I think concept is clear to you. Students, keep on watching our videos. Tomorrow again we will meet.